Hey guys, this is Nick with PhoneArena, and you're watching a quick video sample out of the LG V30. Shooting this video sample at 30 frames per second, 4K resolution. It's a chilly morning here. It's pretty much empty in the park. I'm just casually holding the phone with one of my hands. Image stabilization should be doing its thing. Since the LG V30 has dual cameras at the back, you can switch between normal mode, like right now, and wide angle mode, which lets you fit a lot more in the frame. It's back to normal now. Now let's test the digital zoom feature of the LG V30. And this is the maximum digital zoom setting. Back to normal. Alright, that was a quick video sample at 4K resolution out of the LG V30.